Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. So in this video we are going to discuss about the process manufacturing. Okay, so we are going to create a simple example. So in the example what we'll do, we'll see how we can do the basic setups of product. Okay, so the example here is I will create product for my crude oil. Okay, so crude oil will be my main raw material. Okay, so let me write down what we are going to do. It will be raw material. Okay, so from my this particular crude oil, I'm going to get my gasoline. Okay, so the type for this one would be formula, and the type for crude oil would be none. Okay, further, I'm going to have my co-product as well. For example, if I will do this reaction, so I will have kerosene, scene, and diesel. Diesel fuel will be my, both of them are my co-products, right? Co-products. Okay, then I will have a byproduct as well. Okay, that is waste water. That will be my byproduct. So we'll do how we can do setups for this. Okay, so I'll go to release product first. Device is my product. So I'll go to release product and I will create my first product. That is my gasoline. I'll give a name. Alright, so the things will auto populate here. Here I can select my item model group. So I'm going to select this one, FIFO. Then my item group, I'll select this as cleaner. Okay, site and warehouse. So I can select my site and warehouse. Inside my tracking dimension, I can select this one as my batch coverage plan. Okay. Now once this is done, then I can enter the unit as well. For example, my units will be gallon, right? Copy this and quickly paste gallon in all of them. Alright, and I will simply click OK. And then here I can simply go to my Engineer Fast tab. And here I have the option to select my product type. Okay. So I can select this one as my formula. Okay. And self period also I need to specify. Let me expand all and shelf period. Nice. Yeah, here we go. Inside our inventory, so I can give some days here that this product will be, this product have the shelf life of 165 days, 365 days. Okay, so my first product is ready. Okay, so if I go here, I've created this particular product. Okay, I can remove this. Okay, next here I'll be selecting my co-product. I will get two additional products when I will do this particular process. So I'm going to get my kerosene and my diesel fuel as well. So let me quickly create my co-products now. For that as well, I will do same step here and I will give a name as kerosene, and here again my item model group, item group, and my storage dimension group. Let me select as site and warehouse. Then my this, so I will select my batch coverage plan and I will update my units. Should be gallon here, here as well, and here as well. Okay, so as soon as I'm done, I will simply click OK. And again here, same thing I need to do. I need to, first of all, let me go to that self life period. Okay, so let me say this also 365 days. And then this is going to be my byproduct, right? Byproduct means additional product. It's not clicking. Okay, so here I can select this as my co-product. Okay, now my next co-product was, let me remove this. It's diesel fuel. Okay, so I can do same process here. I can simply write my product name. Usually you will have code for your product, right? But for demo purpose, I'm going to use the like the real names of the product. I will go with the same setups. Item model group, let me select as cleaner. Storage dimension group, my site and warehouse. Tracking dimension as none. And further here I can change my units to gallon. I can copy this, copy gallon here, again my gallon here, and again my gallon here. Okay, so once I'm done with this, I can click OK. Okay, and this one also would be my co-product. Co-product are also valuable product. Okay, like byproduct is something you can consider it as the waste product. Okay, so this is completed and we'll save it again. Okay, so my diesel fuel is also ready. Okay, now I'll go back here. This is also completed. Okay, I need to create my this water. Okay, my wastewater. So I will again click on new. I can give a name to my product. I will call it as wastewater. Okay, and here also same thing. I can select my this dimension group, and here my item group cleaner, and then storage and tracking dimension group. Now this would also be in gallon, right? All the liquid quantities. Gallon, gallon, and gallon. Alright, so this is completed and I will click OK. So if I'll go to my notepad, my this product is also ready. Okay, now let me create my raw material, right? The crude oil was the main raw material. So I can say this as my crude oil, and same thing. Let me quickly do it. So I'll do it quickly, and item group my cleaner, my site and warehouse, and here my tracking dimension group, that is my batch coverage plan, and my units will be in gallon, 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 and gallon again. Okay, all right, and I will click OK. Okay, so if you can see all my raw materials, I'll go back here. So all my product. Oh, one thing I think I forget probably. Let me open my crude oil. So crude oil, like the type would be none only here, but for my, where's my wastewater? Click refresh here. So let me search. Waste contains. Yeah, this one. So let me make sure I have changed product type here. So if I go to my engineer tab. Oh, here if you see, I need to select it as my byproduct, right? This is not my main product. Again, self life, let me give it as 165 days. Alright, So here if you see, all my products are ready. Alright, so I can come to my notepad here, and if you can see, I've completed all the product type. Okay, so in a nutshell, let me reiterate what we did. We were interested in different types of product categories. We see that we have a raw material. Okay, then we have the main product. Okay, then we have additionally some byproduct and co-product. Co-product are useful items that is diesel, okay, and kerosene, whereas we have the byproduct as well. Okay, and we have the formula as well. Okay, so that is this kerosene. Okay, so when you mix this, then you get all this product. Okay, thank you for watching this video.